Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. You're studying or not? You're studying seriously? You should study, okay? So today I want to discuss that exercise problems of percentage, what problems left. So that's why that one we will discuss it. So before going to start, I'm telling one important thing that those who are watching videos, please write your name in the comment box, and if any problem, any doubt, you can write in the comment box, okay? So from there only we can understand your problem, your doubt. Otherwise, if problem, you should inform to the teachers. Not only maths, other subject also you should inform to the teachers. Clear? Clear or not? So today we will discuss what the remaining word problems already discussed, exercises and examples also, theory part also. So many things we have discussed. Today we will discuss what the remaining portion. Okay, the remaining portion of the word problems. So before going to start, you should get ready also with your copies. Okay, and after that you should read the question thoroughly because you should try to understand what is the given question. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So now let's start. At first read the question. I think the question number 10 finished. So today we'll discuss what from exercise 11. Okay. Okay. Now 11. So read the question at first. The monthly income of Mr. Omid Goel is rupees 30,400. What is the question is telling? Question number 11C. Read the question again thoroughly. The monthly income of Mr. Omid Goel is 30,400. Clear? Okay. He saves 12.5% of his income and the rest he spends. How much does he spend each month? So read the question and try to understand what is the given data. বলছে কি যে মান্থলি ইনকাম দেওয়া আছে অফ মিস্টার অমিত গোয়েল হলো একজন ভদ্রলোক। তো ওনার কি এসেছে মান্থলি ইনকাম কত রুপিস 30,400। হি সেভস 12.5% অফ হিজ ইনকাম। সে কত পার্সেন্ট সেভ করেছিল? 12.5% তার ইনকামে সেভ করেছিল। দ্য রেস্ট হি স্পেন্ডস, আর বাকি টাকাটা কি করেছে সে খরচ করে দেয় প্রত্যেক মাসে। তাহলে হাউ মাচ ডাজ হি স্পেন্ড ইজ মান্থ, তাহলে প্রত্যেক মাসে সে কতটা কি করে স্পেন্ড করে। ক্লিয়ার? কোশ্চেন ক্লিয়ার? ওকে। নাও সি the total income or monthly income equal to how much? Rupees 30,400. Okay, 30,400. Clear? Okay. Next কি বলেছে he saves 12.5% of his income. He saves 12.5% of his income. তাহলে 12.5% সে কি করেছে? তার ইনকামের সেভ করে নিয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, সেভ করেছে, হয়তো কোথাও টাকা কি করে ব্যাংকে জমালো বা পোস্ট অফিসে জমালো, এরকম করে সে সেভ করে নেয়। ঠিক আছে? তাহলে হাউ মাচ ইজ দ্যাট সেভস, দ্যাট ওয়ান হি সেভস 12.5%, না? সো নাও উই ফাইন্ড আউট দ্যাট 12.5% অফ 30,400। আমরা এই 30,400 এর উপরে কি করবো? 12% ক্যালকুলেট করবো। তাহলে কি হবে? হি সেভস, সে তাহলে কত টাকা সেভ করছে? রুপিস 30,400 ইন্টু 12.5%. Clear? Question clear or not? Okay, now we'll do the calculation. So rupees 30,400 into 12.5 by 100. Clear or not? And if we remove this point, so what will come here? In denominator 10 also will come. Up to this one clear? Clear? Okay, now cancel it. 0 0 cancel. Here 0 0 cancel. Okay, here 5 2 is 10 and here 5 25 is 125. Okay, clear or not? Now 2 here 304 also divisible by 2, that means 1 5 to 152. Clear? Normal calculation you can do it also. Okay, that calculation but you will do, you should try it. Okay, after that you see the solution, that one. So that's why now we will do the multiplication. So 152 into 25. So if we multiply it, 25 to the what will come? 50, 0, 5 carry. 25 5 yeah, 125. Clear? 125, 125 and 5, 130 plus 0, 13 carry. Clear? And 25 1 is 25, 25 plus 13, 25 plus 13, 38. That means 3800. 3800. So that is 3800 is saving. Okay, সে কত টাকা সেভ করছে? তার 30,400 তার হচ্ছে যে মান্থলি ইনকাম, তার মধ্যে 3,800 সে কি করে যে টাকা সেভ করে, মানে জমাচ্ছে কোথাও, সেটা তো লিখে দিল কোথাও জমিয়ে, হয় ব্যাংকে নাহলে পোস্ট অফিসে বা বাড়িতে অনেক সময় রাখে। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে স্পেন্ড করছে কত টাকা? তাহলে হি স্পেন্ডস ইকুয়াল টু রুপিস 30,400 মাইনাস 3800। ক্লিয়ার না? কারণ তার মান্থলি ইনকাম 30,400, সেখান থেকে সে 3,800 সে কি করে সেভ করে, তাহলে কত টাকা সে স্পেন্ড করে দুটো মাইনাস করে দিলে বেরিয়ে যাবে। ঠিক আছে, নাও উইল ডু দ্য সাবট্রাকশন। সো 30,400 minus 3800. Okay, so 0 0, 4 minus 8 not possible, that means 14, 14 minus 8 6, here 9, 9 minus 3 6, and here 2. Normal multi that subtraction, that means 29,600. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? So this is the amount he is spending in every month. তাহলে এই 29,000 29,600 he is spending in every month. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next question, what? Question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12, what? What is the question number 12 is telling? Just see the question. An ore contains 15% iron. An ore contains 15% iron. How much ore will be required to get 18 kg of iron? An ore contains 50% iron. তাহলে একটা ওর কত কন্টেন্ট করে? 15% আয়রন কন্টেন্ট করে। তাহলে হাউ মাচ ওর উইল বি রিকোয়ার্ড, হাউ মাচ ওর উইল বি রিকোয়ার্ড টু গেট 18 কেজি অফ আয়রন। তাহলে কি যে কত কেজি ওর হলে তার মধ্যে 18 কেজি আয়রন থাকবে। ক্লিয়ার? কোশ্চেন ক্লিয়ার? যে একটা ওরের মধ্যে 15% আয়রন থাকে, তাহলে হাউ মাচ ওর উইল বি রিকোয়ার্ড টু গেট 18 কেজি অফ আয়রন। তাহলে কত কেজি ওরের মধ্যে 18 কেজি অফ আয়রন থাকে। তাহলে কি করে করব? We don't know at first how much ore will be required, that's why we will consider it x kg ore is there or required. Okay, so let the required, just a minute. So question number 12, no? Let the required ore equal to x kg. Okay, let the required ore equal to x kg. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, now see, 15% iron given, no? 15% iron given and ore, 15% iron given and ore. That means we find out 15% iron of x kg. That means now we'll write what? 15% iron in ore. That means what? X into 15% or not? X into 15%. Okay, 15% iron in ore means x into 15%. That means what? X into 15 by 100. X into 15 by 100. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Next question is telling, see, how much ore is required will get what 18 kg of iron. How much ore will be required? কত কেজি ওর হলে তার মধ্যে কি থাকবে 18 kg of iron থাকবে। তাহলে see that is what 15% iron in ore, that is what that weight of iron, no, x into 15 by 100. Clear or not? And another one also given in the question, 18 kg iron, that one also iron, weight of iron, and this one also weight of iron, this one also weight of iron. Clear? And that one also weight of iron. Which one? 18 kg. So that's why we can write what? That's why according to the question, x into 15 by 100 equal to 18 kg, because this one also iron and this one also iron. Okay, clear or not? Clear? Okay, now we find out the value of x. So 18 into 15 by 100 means that one will be what? 100 by 15. Clear or not? So we'll cancel it. 5 3 jar, and here 520 jar. 5 3 jar, 520 jar, and here 6 6 are 18. That means 6 and 20. 6 20 jar, 120. 120 kg. That is the that weight of required ore. That means value of x. Then value of x means that is required ore, no? Clear or not? That means 120 kg ওরের মধ্যে 18 kg আমাদের কি থাকবে, পাশে আয়রন থাকবে। Question clear? Everyone clear question? Okay, now see next question. I hope understood this problem. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next question number 13. Question number 13 is telling, see, read the question everyone. A property dealer charges a commission of 2% on the first 25,000 and 1.5 on the remainder. What commission does he charge for selling a plot of land for rupees 1,30,000? Okay, তাহলে a property dealer charges a commission, কত বলেছে 2% কমিশন চার্জ করেছিল একজন প্রপার্টি ডিলার, যারা প্রপার্টিটা কি করে ডিলার আর কি, মানে ডিলিংস করে, যারা আর কি কেনা বেচা করে, এই সমস্ত কাজ করে। ওকে, কত পার্সেন্টের উপর 2% কমিশন আই বলেছে? 25,000 এর উপরে 2% কমিশন আই বলেছে। ক্লিয়ার? টোটাল কত টাকা? 1,30,000। ক্লিয়ার? প্লটটার দাম কত? প্লট অফ ল্যান্ড কত দাম বলেছে? সেলিং আ প্লট অফ ল্যান্ড কত 1,30,000। তার মধ্যে ফার্স্ট 25,000 এর মধ্যে সে 2% কমিশন নেবে। বাকি টাকাটা মানে কি 1,30,000 মাইনাস 25,000। বাকি যে টাকাটা পাবে সেটার উপরে কত 1.5% কি করবে, কমিশন নেবে। তাহলে টোটাল কমিশন কত হবে? Question clear or not? Clear? Okay, now see the solution. Question number 13. Question number 13. Okay, so at first what to do? At first is telling here 2% commission on first 25,000. That one will find out 2% commission on 25,000. Okay, 2% commission on 25,000. So what will come here? 25,000 into 2 by 100. Okay, 0 cancel. So we are getting 250 into 2, rupees 500. Okay, so 2% commission on 25,000 means how much we are getting? Rupees 500. Clear or not? Okay, so now remaining amount, how much? Remaining amount now remaining amount total 1,30,000 now. So 1,30,000 minus 25,000. Clear? The remaining amount. Okay, clear or not? Clear? Because total 1,30,000. So first 25,000 already here already calculated, no? Here already calculated. So that's why that one will be subtracted. So that's why after that we'll get what? 1,30,000 minus 25. That means 1,05,000. 5,000. Clear? 1,05,000. Clear or not? Everyone clear? Okay. Now we find out the next commission. Next commission on depend on that one what? On 1,05,000. That means 1.5% commission. Now 1.5% commission on rupees 1,05,000. Okay, 1.5% commission on rupees 1,05,000. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Now we calculated this one. So 1,05,000 into 1.5 by 100, because 1.5% meaning what? 1.5 by 100 or not? Clear? 1.5 into with the 1.5 by 100 here. Clear? So now we'll remove the point. If we remove the point, after point how many digits? One digit, that means 1 0 will come, 10 will come. Okay, so now we are getting here denominator 3 zeros, so cancel it 3 zeros, 1 2 3. Clear? So that means we are getting what? 105 into 15. So do multiplication. 105 into 15. 15 5 is 75, 5 7 carry, that will be 7 here, and 15 was 15. That means rupees 1575 is coming. Okay, 1.5% commission on rupees 1,05,000. We are getting what? How much? 1,575. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Now total commission how much? So here 1,575 and there 500. First time we got here 500, no? So we'll do addition because total commission, no? So now total commission equal to rupees 1575 plus rupees 500. So we'll do what? How much we'll get? 2075. Normal addition to everyone do. Okay, that means we are getting 2075. That is the total commission. Clear? Clear or not? Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay. So this is the question. Which question? Question number 13. So 11 12 13 clear? Everyone clear? Now question number 14. And if any problem, whatever we are doing, if any problem, you should inform me. Again I will explain it. Clear? But you should inform, and whatever you are doing, that one you should practice it also. Okay, clear? Without practice that problem will arise. You cannot solve it. You cannot solve it because this is little, not much but little hard. So that's why if you practice, that will be very easy. Otherwise the problem will arise. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, next question. See question number 14. Question number 14. In an examination, the maximum marks are 850. In examination, maximum marks are 850. Rohit gets 30% marks and failed by 17 marks. Find the passing marks and the minimum percentage for passing the examination. Question কি? What is the given question? What is the meaning of question? বলছে একটা পরীক্ষাতে বলছে ম্যাক্সিমাম মার্কস কত? 850, মানে 850 মার্কসে কি হবে? এক্সাম হবে। ক্লিয়ার? রোহিত একজন স্টুডেন্ট, সে কত পেয়েছে? গেটস 30% মার্কস, 34% মার্কস পেয়েছে। ওকে, রোহিত গেটস 34% মার্কস অ্যান্ড ফেলস বাই 17 মার্কস। 34% মার্কস পাওয়ার পরে কি করেছে? 17 মার্কসের 17 মার্কসে কি করেছে? ফেল করে গেছে। মানে আরো 17 মার্কস বেশি পেলে সে কি করতো? পাস করতো। ক্লিয়ার? 34% মার্কস সে পেয়েছে, আরো যদি 17% মার্কস সে বেশি পেতো, 17% মার্কস বেশি পেতো, তাহলে সে কি করতে পারতো? তাহলে পাস করে যেত। কারণ 17 মার্কস সে কি করেছে? ফেল করে গেছে। তাহলে ফাইন্ড দ্য পাসিং মার্কস। তাহলে পাসিং মার্কসটা বার করবো, অ্যাজ ওয়েল অ্যাজ আর কি বলেছে? দ্য মিনিমাম পার্সেন্টেজ অফ ফর পাসিং দ্য এক্সামিনেশন। এবং সেই যে পাসের যে মার্কসটা, তা সেটাকে আবার পার্সেন্টেজে কনভার্ট করতে হবে। ক্লিয়ার? কোশ্চেন ক্লিয়ার? ওকে, now see total marks. Question number 14. No? Question number 14. Total marks of examination or exam. Total marks or exam equal to 850. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Now Rohit gets কত পার্সেন্ট মার্কস পেয়েছে? Rohit gets 34% marks. 34% of 850 or not? Because 850 what? Total marks of the examination, and Rohit gets 34%. So 34% of 850 or not? Clear? So that's why now we'll calculate it. 34% means 34 by 100 into 850. Clear everyone? Clear? Now to calculation. Here 0 0 cancel it. 5 to the 10 and here 5 7 is 85. Okay, and here 2 7 is 34. Okay, 2 17 is 34. That means we are getting 17 17 7 into 17. We will multiply it. We will get what? 289. Clear? Clear or not? That means Rohit gets 289. Rohit তাহলে কত মার্কস পেয়েছে? 289 মার্কস পেয়েছে। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে পাসিং মার্কসটা তাহলে কত তাহলে? পাসিং মার্কস নাও উইল ফাইন্ড আউট দা পাসিং মার্কস। Passing marks equal to 289 plus 17 or not? Because I told you আমি কি বলেছিলাম যে 17 মার্কসে সে কি হয়েছে যে ফেল করে গেছে 17% মানে যদি মার্কস যদি সে আরো বেশি পেতো তাহলে কি হতো সে পাস করে যেত যেহেতু 17 মার্কস সে কি করেছে কম পেয়েছে তাহলে কি করতে হবে আমাদের পাস মার্কসটা কত হবে তাহলে 289 প্লাস 17 কারণ 17 সে বেশি বলে কি হতো পাস করে যেত যেহেতু কম পেয়েছে তাহলে আমাদের কত পেলে পাস মার্কস 289 প্লাস 17 ক্লিয়ার নট ডু এডিশন do normal addition. Clear? That means 306. That is the passing marks. Clear? Everyone clear? Now we find out that percentage of passing marks. Percentage of passing marks. Percentage of passing marks. Okay? 306 by divided by what? Total marks how much? 850. Total marks the examination কত? Examination total marks কত ছিল? 850. So 306 by 850. 850 into 100 because we convert into percentage, so that's why. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now see. Here 1010 cancel it. 5 2 is 10 and here 5 17 is 85. Okay? 17 and 306 also this one also will be cancelled. 17 1 is 17. 13 borrow means remainder 13 and 6 136 17 8 is 36. Clear? So that means we are getting here 18 into 2 36%. That is the passing marks of the percentage or we can say percentage of passing marks. তাহলে passing marks এর percentageটা কত হচ্ছে তাহলে 36%. Clear? Clear or not? Understood everyone? I have understood. If any problem you should inform me please. I'm requesting you that please you should not waste the time, you should utilize the time properly. Okay, whatever you are getting you should practice it and give to the teachers. Clear? They will check your work. Clear? And if you don't want that is that grade loss for you only. Okay, clear or not? Okay, now so question number 14 clear? Question number 14 clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now question number 15. See, question number 15 is telling a student secures 90%, 60% and 54% marks in 3 test papers with examine maximum marks 100, 150 and 200 respectively. Find his aggregate percentage. তাহলে what is the question? বলছে কি যে একটা স্টুডেন্ট 90% মার্কস পেয়েছে কখন পেয়েছে যখন 100 মার্কসের এক্সাম তখন সে 90% মার্কস পেয়েছে যখন 150% 150 মার্কসের এক্সাম তখন কত পেয়েছে 60% মার্কস পেয়েছে আর যখন হচ্ছে যে 200 মার্কসের এক্সাম তখন সে কি হচ্ছে 54% মার্কস পেয়েছে তাহলে বলছে ফাইন্ড হিজ এগ্রিগেট পার্সেন্টেজ এগ্রিগেট পার্সেন্টেজ মিন্স কি এগ্রিগেট পার্সেন্টেজ মানে যে টোটালের উপরে সে কত পার্সেন্ট মার্কস পেয়েছে সেটা আমাকে বার করতে হবে ক্লিয়ার টোটাল মার্কস কত আর কত পার্সেন্ট মার্কসে অবটেন করেছে বা কত পার্সেন্ট মার্কসে পেয়েছে সেটাকে আমাদেরকে পার্সেন্টেজে কনভার্ট করতে হবে দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড দ্যাট এগ্রিগেট পার্সেন্টেজ clear question clear okay now see so a student question number 15 no 15 so a student got 90% marks no so in first exam he gets 90% of 100 clear or not 90% of 100 clear now we can see calculation in this bit 90% of 100 means what 90% means what 90 by 100 or means multiplication into 100 100 cancel it that means That means we are getting how much? 90 marks. Clear? So first exam he gets 90% marks of 100. That means 90 marks we are getting. Clear? Okay. So now second exam. Second exam he gets 60% marks of 150. 150. Clear or not? So 60% can calculate a little bit. 60% means 60 by 100 into 150. Clear? Okay. Now cancel this little bit. 0 0 cancel it. Here 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja here and 5 2 ja here. So 2 are here 30 because 2 3 is 6, so that's why 2 into 30 will get what? 60. So we are getting what? 30 into 3, that means 90 marks. So 90 marks also he gets in second exam. First exam also 90 marks, second exam also 90 marks. Clear? Understood? Okay. Third exam he gets how many marks? 54% marks of 200. 54% of 200. So we calculated this one. 54% means what? 54% means 50 by 4, 54 by 100. Or means multiplication into 200. Clear or not? Clear? So 100 to the 200. 54 into 2, 108. So 108 marks. Clear? So first exam he gets 90 marks. Second exam also 90 marks. And third exam also 180 marks. Means total marks how much? We find out. Okay. Therefore, now we find out total marks in exam. Total marks in exam how much? Total marks 100, next 150 plus 200. Okay, that means 450. That is total marks. Okay, and he gets by or he obtains. He gets also we can write he gets. He gets in exam. In exam how much? First 90, second 90, and third 180. That means how many marks? 90 plus 90, 180, and 100, 288. 288 marks he gets. Clear? So out of 450 he gets 288 marks. Clear? Now we find out the aggregate percentage. Okay? So therefore aggregate percentage equal to he gets 288 and denominator 450. Clear? Total 450 and he gets 288 into 100. Clear? 0 0 cancel. 5 2 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, and 5 9 is 45. Okay, 5 9 is 45, and this one also cancel. You can cancel it. 9 3 is 27, 1 8 18, 9 2 is 18. That means 32 into 2 we are getting what? 64%. We are getting 64%. Clear? So that is the answer. That is the aggregate percentage. Clear? The aggregate percentage concept clear? Total marks that we find out, and total marks he gets. Suppose a student how much he gets, that one also we find out. So that means that one by total marks into 100. That is the aggregate percentage. Okay? Clear? Next question, what? Question number 16 is telling, see, in an examination 5% of the applicants were found ineligible and 85% of the eligible candidates belong to the general category. If 4 to 75 candidates belong to the other categories, then how many candidates applied for the examination? Try to understand what is the given question. Question বলছে যে একটা exam 5% of the applicants were found ineligible. 5% applicants কি ওরা ineligible মানে eligible নয়, পরীক্ষায় বসতে পারবে না, কোনো কিছু না কিছু একটা প্রবলেম হয়েছে তো এরা পরীক্ষায় বসতেই পারবে না, ineligible. Clear? Okay. And 85% of the eligible candidates, 85% of the eligible candidates তার মধ্যে 85% কি হবে? belong to the general category. তাদের মধ্যে কিসে আছে? general category-তে আছে। আর কি বলেছে? if 4 to 75 candidates belong to the other categories, 4 to 75 যদি আদার অন্য ক্যাটাগরিতে থাকে তাহলে then how many candidates applied for the examination. তাহলে কতজন ক্যান্ডিডেটস কি করেছিল অ্যাপ্লাই করেছিল পরীক্ষার জন্য। Question clear? Now we'll solve it. So total candidates we don't know, how many students applied for examination we don't know, we consider it. So question number 16 is telling let the total number of applicant in exam by applied for exam applied for exam, how many that applicant applied for exam, how many applicant don't know, we find out. Okay, so that's why that one X. Clear or not? Clear? Now see what is the given question is telling 5% are ineligible, no, 5% are applicants were found ineligible. Okay, so 5% ineligible, 5% ineligible. Okay, 5% ineligible, that means how many eligible, that means eligible applicants equal to 95%. Clear or not? Because 5% what ineligible. Clear? If we see here 100 minus 5 what, 100 minus 5 means what, 95 or not? Clear? 95%. Why 95%? Because 100 minus 5 means we are getting 95%. This 95% what, eligible candidate. Clear? Eligible, not ineligible. 5% ineligible, so 95% what, eligible. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So these 95% eligible applicants, these 95% eligible কোথাকার applicants কোথাকার, সেই X এর, কারণ টোটাল নাম্বার applicants কোথাকার X এর। Clear? Okay, so now total eligible applicants, okay, eligible or total eligible applicants equal to X into 95%. Clear or not? Because total number what, total number of applicants X, and how many eligible applicants, 95%, so that's why X into 95%. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now question is telling, see, question is telling what, 85% of the eligible candidates belong to the general category, 85% general category, but here given what, 4275 candidates belong to the other category. Okay, 85% general category and others 4275 given, no? Okay, now see, so we can write here 85% applicants general category, okay, 85% applicants general category. Okay, clear or not? Therefore, just a minute, therefore other category how many 15%, no? Other category how many, 15%. Why 15%? Because 100 minus 85 will get what, 15% or not? 85% applicants general category, so other categories how many, 15% or not? 15%, because we need other categories, not general category. Clear? Okay, now see, so these 15% is related with whom? Related with X into 95 or not? X into 95%. Clear? Okay, that means we can write what, we can write total eligible applicants of other category, total eligible applicants of other category. So how much, this one 15%, no, I'm writing 15% of what, of C of just a minute of what? Here got no x into 95%, x into 95%, this one total eligible applicants, clear? And out of that total, these eligible applicants will be related with other applicants, other categories, clear or not? Other categories, and these total eligible applicants are related or not, means that we find out these other categories from where? From total eligible applicants. So total eligible applicants x into 95%, that means here will come x into 95%. This one clear? Clear or not? Clear? This one 15% other categories and x into 95% total eligible applicants. Okay? Clear? So this one will cancel it a little bit. 15% means what? 15 by 100. Or means multiplication x into 95% means 95 by 100. Clear? Now cancel it. 5 3 ja, or here 5 2 ja. Here 5 19 ja, here 5 2 ja. Okay? That means we are getting what? 19 57. That means 57x by 400. That is the other category, those who are eligible applicants. Other categories or eligible candidates, those who are other categories. Okay? Clear? We need this one because see, one data given 4275, that is the what? In the question given 4275, that is other category. If 4275 candidates belong to other category, we don't need general category, we need what? Other category. So that's why we find out what? That other category. Okay? So this one other categories and that one also other category, that one will be same. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So according to the question, that means we can write what? 57x by 400 equal to 4275. Clear or not? Clear? We can write it. Yes, we can write it because this one also other category and this one also other category. This one given in the question and this one we find out from the question. Okay. Now we find out what? X. So x equal to 4275 into 400 by 57, because this side left hand side was 57 by 400. If we bring in right hand side, what will come? Then will be reciprocal. So 400 by 57. Now cancel it. Okay. So this one divisible by 3. 3 19 the 57. Okay. This one also divisible by 3 also. See 3 1 ja 3, 1 2 12, 3 4 ja, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 5 ja 15. Okay. Clear? Okay. And 1425, this one divisible by 19, we check it. Okay, 19 19 5 ja 95, 96 ja 114, 97 ja 100, what? 92 ja 90, 92 ja 38, 93 ja 57, 94 ja 76, 95 ja 95, 96 ja 114, 97 ja 100, say 33. Clear? So 97 ja will come 100. What will come? 133. Clear? So 2 minus 3 not possible. 12 minus 3 9. Okay. So 9 will come here. Here 95. So 19 5 to 95. 95 to 95. So that means 75 is coming. 75 is coming. So we put it here. After cancelling, we are getting what? 75. So 75 into 400. 75 into 400. 75 4 ja what? 300. 75 4 ja 300 and another 2 zeros will come. That means 30,000. That means 30,000. 30,000 is the applicants, those who are applied for the exam. Total number of students, those who applied for exam. That is the answer. Clear? Therefore, 30,000 applicants. 30,000 applicants are applied for the exam. Clear? Clear or not everyone? Clear? I have understood all problems, and if any doubt from these that problems, not only these, any problems, you should inform to the teachers. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Teachers are waiting for your work only, and whatever we did today, you should practice it. Clear? We should practice it. So today your homework. What is your homework? All otherwise no, all 1 to up to 16. No, today we did 16 up to 16. So 1 to up to 16 you should practice it. 1 to up to 16. Clear? This is your homework, and you should practice it and you should submit to me. Okay, I will check the work. Clear? Clear or not? Everyone, you should submit your